I remember when I first looked at one of the floor plans for Tabor, I said, this is too good to be true. I felt as if, no, there's no way you're gonna find the right type of features that I want, the right shade of color, so I thought it was too good. So I went to go view other builders, see what they offered and didn't offer, and then I thought to myself, let's go back to Tabor. So eventually I found a floor plan that I fell in love with, and the rest was history. My name is Dante Cooper. I built my Tabor home in Nichols Creek, located in Yukon. My most memorable part will obviously have to be the process. I didn't want to build a house. I thought it was gonna be too stressful, thought it was gonna take too much time, but with Tabor, none of that was the case. Every person involved literally held my hand every step of the way. So I enjoyed watching my house being built, being in the design studio, also being able to basically see every person say, okay, this is your next step, and then eventually seeing the final product. I feel as if Tabor has the included features that other builders do not have, and so you kind of grow into wanting to go to Tabor because when you go to other builders, they're gonna say, okay, well, this is an upcharge, this is an upcharge. With Tabor, all of that is already included. Also on top of that, you have your upgrade options, which the list is nearly endless. So I enjoy my upgrade options that I chose, and that was only something that I could find with Tabor. When I first closed on my home, I was provided the list of all of my appliances and their warranties, how to register them, and who to contact if anything happened. So when I got all of that and had the warranty team contact number, I felt very at ease and very at this place of, okay, Tabor really does give you that red carpet treatment.